Controller synced, headset clear. I'm feeling it, man. You ready?
Born ready. I've been warming up my paws all day for this drop.
First match, we push mid, grab the buff, then turbo the reactor.
Same plan?
Same plan.
Let's light.
Guess the warden forgot to neuter his staff. Yo, leave me. Looks like the kennel's open. Sit, stay, play dead. Down.
Woo! Did you see that finish? We absolutely melted that last push.
Best clutch of the season, paws down. I thought we were done for, and then boom, reactor overdrive, game flip.
And this combat feels so clean. Every move just snaps.